So after installing or returning all the parts of the clutch control, we'll now fill this one. But before filling this one with your uh, dot 3 or dot 4 brake fluid, be sure to close the bleeder under the chassis. Okay, so I'll just pull it above the maximum. Okay. Since brake fluid are hydroscopic, we can actually, oops, I think that's close this one. Let's close it. Okay. And then let us bleed the air by opening the bleeder under the chassis. So to bleed the air, so we'll just put some what we call this brake fluid here. I'll be putting some brake fluid, clean brake fluid, but you can use the dirty one. I just want to use the clean fluid so that I know that yeah, just a little bit. And of course, don't forget to close brake fluid because these are hydroscopic. And then we insert this one. Okay. Then be sure that the end of the tube is touching the bottom of the brake fluid. Okay, so let's go under the chassis. Okay, so I already inserted the 10 mm wrench there. So I also did attach this tube. Okay, and this is the bottle. So yeah, as you can see, so we have the bottle there standing straight. And then let us just what we call this, loosen this one. So I'll turn it up, going up. Wait. Okay. Okay, so I think turn up and then remove. Okay. Then put the wrench back. Okay. And then let's go press the pedal. So I'll just press the pedal and see what is happening with this bottle. Okay. Okay. So we're sorry we were not able to film the flashing of this one, the bleeding, because I need someone to go up and press the pedal. So basically what we did, ask the person above to press the pedal and then release this release this one, and you pull this up, push this up, ask the one on the driver's side to press the pedal and don't release, and then you pull it down and then release the pedal, and then just repeat the same thing. So release the open the bleeder, press the pedal, close the bleeder, and then release the pedal, and just do those things repeatedly until you can see this one. So if you try to see our tube, it's filled with what what do we call this, it's filled with brake fluid already. So if it's filled with the brake fluid already, then it means that you don't have air in your system. So that's it. In the next video, I might show you how to adjust the clutch pedal. So with this, thank you guys. By the way, don't forget to check your reservoir above to see if it's filled or not. Okay, so with this, thank you guys. I hope you had something in this video. So see you again.